we have a comprehensive anti-aging program. With the addition of Jouvé to the Optimals, Vinali, we've got Beauty Boost, which is great for the skin and the hair and the nails. Vinali, which is really fantastic on the skin as well and helps with collagen. The Optimals that keep the body young on the outside. And now with the addition of Jouvé, nowhere else can you find a more comprehensive anti-aging beauty program. At Jouvé, we care about your outside and your inside, because the average woman gets exposed to hundreds of chemicals before she ever leaves the bathroom in the morning. And we know that your skin is not a barrier, it's a carrier. So what you put on goes in. So this is our promise to you. We would never use parabens or PEGs or artificial fragrances, formaldehydes, chemical preservatives, petroleum-based ingredients, sulfates, synthetics, artificial colors. We don't test on animals, and we look for sustainable ingredients. Jouvé is clinically proven, effective, safe for you and your family, because we care about the entire you. In the last 4 years, our R&D department, our chemists, our formulators have been working tirelessly to create a truly comprehensive program where all the products fit together beautifully. And it's like we're finally there. It's the moment. The most amazing products with the best results at one of our most exciting launches. So don't miss this moment and try Jouvé.